Today we will be testing a simple trading strategy. Before we do, if you have not watched the first videos on the channel and the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. You can find a link down below to sign up for TradingView. If you use that link, you'll save a little bit of money on your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. If you are interested in a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested along with their win rates, you can sign up for our Patreon. And you will receive a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested. You can find a link to our Patreon down below in the description. We also have a Patreon-only exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators, a list of winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a simple trading strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date we have tested a total of 104 different strategies, with 31 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 84% win rate. That is the Academy of Forex indicator with the Z-score probability indicator. I will put a thumbnail of that video up on screen right now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail, so that way you can go straight there and watch that video on the best strategy that we have tested so far. We've also tested a total of 889 indicators, with 416 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. And keep in mind that we test most of these indicators and strategies on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Okay, so today we are testing a simple trading strategy. And so the source video claims that by using this simple trend trading indicator, you will be able to profit significantly from the markets, and they kind of outline Forex, crypto, stocks, and so on. And so the main indicator that we are using for this strategy is going to be this indicator down here on the bottom of the screen. Now, this indicator actually on default looks similar to this right here. It is called the Coral Trend Indicator. So if you just go to the indicator tab and type in Coral, then it's this Coral Trend Indicator by Lazy Bear right here. You'll add that to the screen. You'll go in and you can modify the coloration as you see fit, but bumped up the opacity of the trend color 0 all the way to 100, and the trend color 1 again all the way to 100. Go ahead and change that back to green there. Usually changed it to black. And on the settings, the smoothing period should be 21. The constant D should be 0.7. And you'll get this set up right here. Now what I did from there is I went in to move to new pane below, and I moved it down to the bottom, and I scrolled the side axis down as tight as it would go, basically just to create a single line like this with the coloration of the little dots changing. So like I said, that's going to be our main indicator there. Then you are going to add a smooth moving average to the screen, and you are going to set that to a 200 period, then a EMA, exponential moving average, and you're going to set that to a 45. Okay, so now that we have the indicator set up, what we are looking for is when the blue 45 period moving average is above the purple 200 period, we are only looking for longs. When the blue is below the purple, we are only looking for short trades. Then, like I said, with the main coral indicator down here at the bottom, what we are looking for is the coloration shift in the coral. So The blue slower 45 or faster, 45 period is above the purple, so we're only looking for long trades right here. Then we get the shift from the coral going from a red color to a green color right here on this candle. And when it does, price action is above both of the moving averages. That creates a valid buy signal at that point. What we're going to do is set our trade right here, and we are going to either set the stop below the nearest moving average or the last swing low. In this case, the moving averages are closer, so we're going to use those. Then we're going to target a 1 to 2 risk reward right like this. Let's go ahead and play this forward. And you can see we make a really nice push straight up. It gets us to our take profit. Let's go ahead and look at a short trade. Okay, so for a short trade, we're looking for the 45 to be below the 200 like it is now. And then we are looking for the coral to go from green back to red here and price action to be below both of the moving averages. You can see that we get that right here. Then what we're going to do is set our short trade just like before. This time we're going to target the 200 moving averages because the 45 is so close right there. Then we're going to once again targeting the 1 to 2 risk reward like so. So let's go ahead and play this out and see what we get. All right, once again, you can see that we pretty much make a straight line right down. Would have gotten us to our take profit. So what I'm going to do now is just go ahead and fast forward through the testing, and then we'll pick it up on the other side to take a look at what this was able to achieve in the testing. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are looking for a profitable trading strategy, I highly suggest you check out the best strategy that we have tested on the channel here. It was able to achieve an 84% win rate. I'll put a screenshot up of the thumbnail to that video right now. I'll link to it up in the corner, and I'll also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Like I said, it is a highly profitable trading strategy. Was able to achieve an 84% win rate. It uses one of our custom indicators that we've developed here on the channel, as well as a trading view indicator, and all around it is a wonderful trading strategy. I highly recommend you check that out. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend it. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like normal. Out of those 50 trades, we got 20 winning trades and 30 losing trades. That's going to put us at a 40% win rate. Now with the 1 to 2 risk reward, with 20 winning trades, let's say you were looking to gain $200 per trade, and on the losing side, you were risking $100 per trade. It means that your total gain on the winning side would have been $4,000, and total loss on the losing side would have been $3,000, for a total gain of $1,000 over the 50 trade test. And so not a bad strategy at all. Definitely wish it had a better win rate, but even at the 40% with a decent win, a decent risk reward, then you can have a lower win rate and not worry about it too much. And so an interesting strategy. Like I said, this was tested on the daily time frame. It'd be interesting to see what it can do on a lower time frame, but I do feel like there is some validity to this strategy. Give it a try, play around with it some, and see what you can get out of it also. So that's it. It's going to go on the yes list, and we will move on to the next video from here.